Oh, heavy.
Maybe. Maybe a leopard.
That's it. Oh, whoa! Nice. Yeah, put it in the bucket and then. Oh, that's good enough. Oh. Man, the bay is too small, huh? Thank you so much. Huh? No. The weather is rough, so the dad called off. Say maybe another time. I don't want her to get a bad day, you know. So I will take her, you know, later. Maybe later. Yeah. I'm just with the Hunter Point to the deep channel, just right here. For now, yeah, I will. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'll let you know. Thank you, Eddie. Okay. Yeah, we're good. Okay, thank you. Nice. And there's a thing open. That's normal, right? Okay, the two thing. Okay. Okay. Good luck. Ah, man. Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Fishing 24/7. Today, I was supposed to go out with the young YouTuber Mimi Fish. Unfortunately, the weather turned out bad. I couldn't take her at the last minute. Anyway, welcome back. Today, I'm launching out of Half Moon Bay.
Oyster Point.
I'm sorry, not Half Moon Bay. Oyster Point. And I'm at the Hunter Point right now. Drifting for halibut. The weather a little bit choppy, you can see in the camera. With me today is Louis. Hey Louis, want to say hello?
Always. Hi guys.
Hey, guys, check out his channel, okay? What's your channel, Louis?
Fishing failure. I'm making videos again.
Yeah, he's making video again. He told me that I was bullying him.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well,
He's so nice on the camera, but when you turn the camera off,
yep.
he's so mean.
Yeah, he just left me hanging, you know, by myself. That's why. But I'm glad he's back. Anyway, we are jigging for jack smell, but we haven't had any luck. Anyway, guys, get on my boat, get on our journey today. Hopefully, we are catching something for you guys. Okay. You know, we fishing on the incoming tide. So hopefully today we are fishing on the incoming tide and outgoing tide. So hopefully we will, you know, go over some fish today. But I'm very happy to just, you know, being on the water with Louis today. And I'm buddy up with my friend, my brother Danny, Troy and David, but they are in the other place near Oyster Point. So I have a long trip right here. If I don't catch anything, I will head it to their way. Okay, guys? Hopefully we are catching something. Okay guys, two rope over here, so we head into Oyster Point, and hopefully it will be good, you know, over there. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, let's go. Fish on, fish on. Fish on for Lewis. Yeah. Yeah. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Fish on for Lewis. Yeah, Lewis. Nice. Oh, the shark. Oh. Fish on, fish on. Oh, let it go. Man, yeah, let it go. Man, oh. Took the whole thing. That's a nice bite, man. Man, that's a very nice bite. Okay guys, got a nice bite, very nice. For 10 seconds, and then I try to get on the camera. I should have set hook, not set hook, but reel it in. But anyway, try it again. The San Bruno Shoal right there.
Yeah, all this. I follow my GPS.
Yeah.
Nothing new yet?
We got a very nice bite back there. That's it. But I'm going to throw now. I have live bait, but the bait too small like this.
Yeah, we have to throw the herring big one.
So I'm going to put on the herring and throw. Okay guys, this is what I use to catch a big halibut right here. I use the herring with the tremble hook right here, the J hook right here. I use the magic thread after you tie everything, and then you bend it so it spins. So I bend it, and then I pull this one. Make sure it's like that, and then it will spin. Okay, let's put it down. I'm going to show you how it spins. That's how it spins. Okay, put it down. Oh, fish on. Yeah. Turn the other way. Yeah. Turn the other way. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's still there. You get shaking too much. That's why. Maybe a shark. It's rolling. Have to sit down. Yeah.
We're just sitting here. We got a huge bite. When you see this thing like
Oh man.
that's how they bite.
Oh, heavy.
Maybe a leopard.
Let's see. Oh, big halibut.
Oh, big halibut. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you do here, sweetie?
Yeah, just. Okay. Yeah, it run like crazy. Oh, hey, you do have to do it. My arm is so weak. Okay, hold on. You don't want to lose that fish. Okay. Let me slow down. Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm gonna gaff it.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, nice. Ooh, that's a nice one, man.
Wow.
That's a nice one.
Nicest one all season.
Yeah. Wow. Good gaff, Lewis.
I got him right in the guts. There we go.
Nice one.
Alright, hold it up, Jake.
Nice one. Look at this. Let's see how big. It's a 30 inch. Yeah. Awesome. Man, it took off like crazy, huh?
There's no way I thought that.
I know.
Look at the bottom. What happened to it?
Yeah, somebody, maybe someone gaffed it. Right?
Maybe.
Yeah. Anyway, nice. Woo. Okay guys, we caught that one fish. We're so happy. Lewis and I, we were talking, and then suddenly my reel was screaming. So we thought it's a stingray, because it took off like for at least 15 seconds, peeling up, taking out my line. So I was thinking it's a stingray, so I reeled it in a little bit different. You know, it stayed on the bottom. It didn't move around too much, so it's not a stingray. So I was hoping for the halibut. It come up a nice big 30 inches halibut. I'm so very, very happy. I'm heading back now. It's so windy. There's white cap everywhere. Wow, that's a big one. Wow, it's a big one. So we're heading back. It's good that my boat designed for the ocean, so we don't get wet. So it cut in the water, but I go very slow, like 3 miles, you know. So Lewis and I, we're heading back. There's like white cap everywhere now. So we're heading back in now, but we take very slow. We are trolling back. Hopefully we hook up into another one. My friend Danny, he already head back in, closer to Oyster Point, and he going to throw in there. So that's what we're going to do. But we're going to throw in slowly. Okay, guys. Hopefully we hook up into another one for you guys. So far we dry. We're not getting wet. There's a big one here. There's a big one. Yeah. Okay. Crazy. I'm so happy that Mimi don't come out today. If Mimi coming out, she will have a bad day, Mimi. You don't miss anything, Mimi. Okay, it's a very rough day. Even though we caught one fish, but it's not worth it for you to go out here today with me. Okay, I will take you out next time. closer to Oyster Point here. We work in a very, very shallow water. So Louis and I, we drove back and forth for about over an hour already. We didn't catch anything at all. So maybe we're gonna call it a day. Louis and I are very happy we caught one fish. That one, man, huh, Louis?
That was fun.
Fun. It took off like crazy. Man, it took our line. We thought it's a stingray. But no, man, this halibut, I think he hang around with a stingray too much. That's why he took off like crazy. But anyway, it's a rough day for Louis and I. But we made it. We we went out there. We caught the fish. Nice one, 30 inches. Very nice guy. Check out his channel, Fishing Fella. I will put the end of the video his icon so you guys can click on it. And remember to watch the ad, okay? I'm supposed to take out a kid today. I have her rod right here. I bought the rod and reel for her with the sleeve, everything. Still new, but I canceled her the last minute this morning because the weather is so choppy. So I feel bad for her, but Mimi, don't worry, okay? I will take you out when the weather is good. Okay? I prepared everything for you today, but it didn't work out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video, watching all the way to the end. I hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy, be happy, and remember, go fishing. Fishing will make you happy,